Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We've got a box of artifacts, unbelievable hits, sure, alright, including 3 autograph memorabilia or Aram bounty cards, plus a redemption. Nobody wants that stupid redemption. Here's the odds on the back. What do we want? Damn, we want an auto relic purple patch. Or the black patch. Auto relic black patch tag. 1 out of 59,840 packs. Holy hell. That's what I'm hoping I pull. But here, right here's our basic packs. Here, I'm pretty sure 2 jersey cards. We'll see what that one is. Then I've got these 2 loose packs of SP I picked up. This one's very, very light. This one's heavy. Might be a jersey, but I don't think so. And then we got some fan mail, man. I got 3 freaking packages. The first one's come from Ian Price. Oh, hell, come on. Send me a freaking baseball. Oh, yep. Oh, damn it, Brown. What the hell? Oh, man. That's cool as all hell. He put his freaking business card in there. What a freaking asshole. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh, hell, that's cool, man. Oh, man, that is cool as hell. Evgeny Malkin autograph. From 2009-10, yep. 9-10, so this one's an older autograph. Shoot, that looks like Colby freaking Armstrong's autograph. Those 2 autographs, they don't look the same. I'll tell you that right now. Alright, next pack is from Sean Redler. Let's get right into the ripping, man. I don't even... Oh, man, he sent me the check. He's freaking young gun. Hey, man. Oh, my God. Holy hell. Sean Redler, man. You're... Oh, man. You are cool as all hell. Not digging the blue tape, but shoot, Jack Hughes, man. I tell you what, man. How's the cornering? Corners are alright. Man, that is awesome. Hey, man. Oh, you know what? Hell no. Come on now. Alright, and this one is coming from Upper Deck Company again. So this is our second one from Upper Deck. And we have a rookie, Emil Benstrom. Oh, numbered to 999. That's still pretty cool. Alright, so in our mail we got Evgeny freaking Malkin. Autograph. Alright, now let's get into the break. I'm sorry, man, that took 5 minutes. Damn. Oh man, is this a burner pack? Mike Hoffman. Connor Habelchuk. 26. Oh, that's not his freaking jersey number. That would have been super cool, man. I tell you what. Oh, Ryan McDonough. They're in the playoffs still. I just watched their game. Max Pacioretty, they're in the playoffs still too. But man, they're going down. They're down 3-1 right now. Freaking Dallas. Oh, we got a Jake Gensel right on the front. That's what I like. Rookie redemption. Damn it, Boston. Come on. God damn it, Boston. Y'all's killing me, man. I swear, when you live around here, man, they give you more Boston stuff than anything. They think that you're a freaking Bruins fan. I have not pulled one Pittsburgh Penguin yet. I mean, autographed or jersey or, you know, something like that. But, damn, I've pulled probably 20 to 15 Boston Bruins stuff. Patrick Hornquist. All right. Jack Eichel. 80 to 399. Damn, that's weak as hell. We got Kyle Okposo. It's weak as hell. Milan Lucic, Dougie Freshie Hamilton, weak as hell. Mitch freaking Marner, Jake DeBrusk, another freaking Bruin. John Gibson, Tyson Jost, Max Jones. So this is what Upper Deck sent me, $9.99. I mean, they sent me just a regular base freaking rookie. Come on now, step your game up, Upper Deck. Tyler freaking Seguin. I mean, come on, man. I gotta point this stuff out in my videos just so they can freaking respond. Alright, I'm pretty sure that this is the Aron. Once again, we've got to thank Dunkin' Donuts for making this possible. It's Johnny Walker Blue. And of course, Upper Deck. Oh yeah, Kid Boo 22. I still owe him another shout out, so we'll give it to Kid Boo 22. This is not my arm, or maybe it is. Casey Middlestat, Vincent Hinostra, an autographed rookie redemption. I got two. Oh, this is one of my autographed cards. This better be Jack freaking Hughes, man. Quinn freaking Hughes, man. Come on. Congratulations, you have just received an autographed rookie redemption card. Blah, 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 blah. And it doesn't have the freaking player name on it. God damn it. Alright. Well, I'll let y'all know in the description what I got with these rookie redemptions. Well, hell, at least it's a rookie autograph, man. That's cool as hell. Autographs are hard to pull out of this freaking artifacts. And these are going to be 2 jersey card packs. There's one. Nope, there's not one. Teuvo Teravainen, Tommy Wilson, Mika Zibanejad. That's a cool looking card, man. 122 out of 165. That would have been a cool, nice little autograph, Mika Zibanejad. But they didn't give it to me this time. And then we are down to our last freaking pack of this, man. Come on now. You better bless me with something good, man. I done bought the whole goddamn case there. Duncan freaking Keith. It's gonna be a rookie, I think. Tyler Johnson. Duncan Keith. We got a Canadiens rookie. Is it gonna be? It's Ryan Poehling. Autograph? Nope, but a jersey. That's pretty cool. 36. Damn, that's almost his number too. That's a low number. So we got a Ryan Poehling double jersey, 2 color. A Mika Zibanejad. And we got an autograph, but it's a redemption. So I'll let y'all know in the description, because I'm going to punch that shit right in as soon as I get off this freaking video. So we got those 2. It's pretty cool, right? Now we've got the SP packs. Alright, SP, you better freaking bless me, man. Come on. This one better not be a 3 card. It's alright. Taylor Hall off the bat. Freaking sucks. Johnny Marchessault. Authentic Moments. Come on. Autographed one. Steve Stamkos. God damn it. Teuvo Teravainen, Alex Took. Whatever. Alright, this is the thick one. I don't think it's a jersey. I could be wrong, but it's not a jersey. I freaking knew it, man. It could be an autograph in here, though. Erik Karlsson. I think we might freaking have one. Oh, holy hell. Patty Kane. Erik Karlsson. You know, if I had this shop, they sell like boxes, sealed boxes, like the artifacts I just bought. And then they sell loose packs. I wonder if the owner knows the same trick that I know. And he sells these loose packs because he knows what you know what I mean. He gets the freaking jersey out of there. Mark Stone. We got a sign of the times. We do have a sign of the freaking times, ladies and gentlemen. This could be anybody. This could be Wayne Gretzky. It could be Mario Lemieux, Sidney Crosby, shit, Evgeny Malkin, anybody. We're hoping Mario Lemieux. Let's get that burner out of there. And we do have a sign of the times. Erik Karlsson, Mark Stone. We're just going to reveal it. I did get the autograph. Yeah. Oh my God. Damn that. If that was Wayne Gretzky in the freaking Kings uniform. Oh my God. This is a good one though. Bernie Nicholls. Sign of the time. Bernie freaking Nicholls. That's a throwback one too, man. I knew it. That could have been anybody. Man, if that was Wayne Gretzky for the Kings. Oh my God, man. What a scribbly ass autograph, huh? This guy must be old as hell. Wow, it don't even say what year he played, but I'm guessing the early 90s. Man, what a good video, ladies and gentlemen. We got Jack Hughes, Young Gun, Danny Malkin. The sign of the times. I got freaking lucky buying the loose pack. Mika Zibanejad, Ryan Poehling. And we're gonna find, I'm gonna let y'all know in the description who we got. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.